Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Qiagen QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus 2-plate ELISA kit. So as you can see, this is the top view and this is the front view of the kit, and you can see this is the Qiagen, this is the QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus QFT-Plus 2-plate kit of ELISA. You can see this contains the QuantiFERON microplate strips of 12 into 8, that is 96 well plate. It has 2 well plates. Then the IFN-γ standard, the green diluent, the conjugate, the wash buffer, the enzyme substrate, the enzyme stop solution. As you can see, you can find all these details here. It is manufactured in Germany, but it is a product of the United States. You can see it here. So let me show you the sides. Yeah, you can see it contains standard 2 years of expiry. You can see all these details over here. Then let me show you the other side. We have a label of warning. You can see it here. So guys, let me open this kit for you. So you can see I'm opening the kit. So as you can see on the top, we have a couple of reagents present. So let me take out this reagent cart. So this is the reagent cart, and let me show you all these reagents. First we have the QuantiFERON wash buffer, the 20 concentrate of 100 ml. Then we have the QuantiFERON enzyme substrate solution of 30 ml. Then we have the QuantiFERON green diluate of 30 ml. Then we have the QuantiFERON enzyme stop solution of 15 ml. Then we have the, let me zoom this. Then we have the QuantiFERON interferon-γ standard reconstitute with around 1.76 ml. Then we have the QuantiFERON conjugate 100 concentrate of 0.3 ml. So these are the concentrates present here. So let me keep this aside. Let me keep all these concentrates at one side. And then we have the manual, the IFU brochure, the instructions for use for the TB-FERON Gold ELISA kit instructions. You can find the reference number here. It is manufactured in USA. You can find all the pack size over here. It's a very bulky instructions for use. You can see all these details here. QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus ELISA kit. So let me keep this here. Then I think we have the plates. They are TB-FERON plates. Then we have the TB-FERON plates. Let me take this. So these are the TB-FERON plates. You can see it here now. This is the QuantiFERON microplate strips of 12 into 8 ml. You can find the expiry date, the temperature control, all these details over here. So guys, to sum this up, this is the entire unboxing of Qiagen QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus ELISA kit. So as you can see, the Gold Plus 2-plate ELISA kit consists of around 6 reagents, the wash buffer of 20 concentrate, then we have the enzyme substrate solution of 30 ml, then we have the green diluent of 30 ml, then we have the enzyme stop solution of 50 ml, then we have the QuantiFERON conjugate 100x concentration. Then we have the QuantiFERON interferon gamma standard. Then we have the IFU, the instructions for use brochure. Then we have 296 well plates. So this is the entire unboxing of Qiagen QuantiFERON-TB Gold Plus ELISA kit. Thank you.